Hello guys, this is Southpaw Trent on Forming Ninja Star. First, you need one. In this video, I'm not going to tell you how, but this is how to start. Or in another video, I'm going to, but this is how to start. First, what it looks like when you fill it. Like that. Now, you need one. That's what I'm doing. Now, when you do it, you go like that. This hand ain't moving like that, but when you go like that, you go like that, and let it go and spin it. There we go. That. Takes practice. It takes practice. But I know I got a lot of these, and it's just a habit. But these are sticky notes from Cash Express.
Yeah!
Okay, that was my mom. So remember, go like that, let it go and spin it. It hit my arm. I got a bigger one. I barely flew it. That thing was bigger, so it didn't go that far. And that is how to throw it. Remember, like that, let it go, spin it. And that will make it fly. And one thing, do this and throw it. It goes farther, but when it's open, it's hard to throw. So that's how to throw it, and that'll be it.